I can see that my demeanor probably keep your aquafina right between your thighs. I mean, I'm trying to be the quality you need. And if these guys think that they guys, then I'm a non-believer. Weed up in your guard, she blow it down just like a ocarina. Read between the lines beneath her margins. Yes, I'm blind, but see you're a fiend for me to write. And if it's wrong, then my apologies. I need apologies. It's tired of sneezing. I'm more sprung than pollen season. I'm so strung, my arms is looking like guitars. I need the keys.
Okay, hey guys, welcome to my godmom's channel. But today I'm gonna be making a cake. So first you need cake mix. Okay, and you need 3 eggs. Got 3 eggs. And you need whipped cream. You need oil. You need a baking pan. And you need a bake bowl. So now we're gonna open the cake. You definitely need some scissors, so be careful with the scissors and don't cut yourself. You could, you know that's dangerous, so don't cut yourself. And add the cake mix in the bowl. Hold on. If you guys want this to be a series, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell button. And comment down below if you guys want this to be a series. Okay, so now that you got your cake mix in a bowl, you're gonna add one egg. You're gonna add 1 egg and 2 eggs. And then now we're gonna need the oil.
Hold on, let me do that.
Okay.
How many it said?
It said 1.5 cup of oil.
1/2?
Yeah.
1 1/2? Let me see.
No, it said 1.2/2/2. Okay guys, so we're just gonna get the oil in the measuring cup right now. So yeah, and got our little mixing thing. I don't know what you call this. Now we have the oil. Okay, now we have to do the water.
Okay.
It's 1 cup of water. So now that. And now you're gonna mix.
There you go.
Mix it up. And we're gonna preheat the oven to
350.
350.
Okay. So let's see how it looks.
So far,
Let me see.
it's like.
Go ahead, keep mixing it until.
So now we are going to add a little bit of oil to the pan.
To move it around. There you go. Okay.
And do the same on this one.
Did you make sure you get the sides and everything? Make sure you get the sides, up the sides.
Now it's all over the sides and the pan. Now we are going to add our cake mix to the pan.
Go ahead. Okay. Now we're gonna preheat the oven.
Preheat the oven and then put them in.
And then how long does it take to cook? Let me see. Let me see how long it's gonna take. Okay. Okay, it's gonna take at least 34 minutes to 38 minutes because this is like 8-inch pans. So it's gonna take 34 to 38 minutes to cook. And when we're ready, we're gonna come back.
Okay, so now that our cake is finished.
Show the cake. Took it out the pan.
It's took out the pan and nice and warm. We are going to put the frosting, so open the frosting.
There you go.
We got it all frosted. We're gonna add the sprinkles. Got all the sprinkles on it, and comment down below how you think the cake looks, and that is how you make a really cute 4th of July cake. So, yeah. You guys could go follow my TikTok too. You need to go follow my TikTok. Like, definitely go follow it. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you guys in a second. Okay, so, yeah, this is my cake.
Show them the cake.
This is my cake. Girl. It's gonna be in the description. Go follow it. Cause you know.
That's it.
Yep.
Alright, you guys. Thank you for watching Yasmia make her, you know, making her cake.
Yep.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit that bell.
Alright.